As I already told you in my theory class of list, what are the different ways you can get a list. First, I will show you how you can create a mixed kind of list. That example is suppose first list equal to 1, 2, 3.9, hello and true. This is a mixed number. So if you just type over here and if you press Control Enter, you can see 1, 2, 3.9, hello, true. That is created. In fact, you can also use this type method to find out what kind of data type this first list is having. Then it will show you it's a list. List of numbers, similarly number list I have given the name 0, 9, 20, 14, 50, 24. So in this way you have given list of numbers. List with strings, again if you just Control Enter, you will get the answer. Now suppose list with strings, string list equal to red, green, blue, yellow, white, and if you just press Control Enter, it will be created, and if you just type the name of the list, it will show you the list. Nested list, suppose I have created a nested list as name of nested list, physics 9, 25, 15, 22, 42. So if you have created this nested list and if you just type the name of that nested list, it will show you the exact numbers. List with a range function. How you can create a list with range function. So similarly, I have explained all these examples in my theory class. Those who have missed my theory in class in lists, please go back to that theory class. There I have clearly explained what is range function and how you can make use of range function to create lists. So list range 7 will give you, if you press Control Enter, it will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or if you want to give all the arguments with the range function 2, 34, 2 and press list range this and press Control Enter, it will give you all the lists. Indexing and slicing. These are the two methods by which you can access different elements in the list. So what is indexing? Indexing is positive indexing, subjects taught biology, English, chemistry, physics, maths. So if you have created this list and if you write subjects taught within bracket 3, then what it will give 0, 1, 2, 3 means definitely physics. So Control Enter, physics. Hello list, again you have created a string list and suppose I want to know through negative indexing what is the last element. Then I will write hello list minus 1. Then it will give me O is the output. Hello list minus 3, that will give you minus 1, minus 2, this L. Okay. Nested indexing, that means if you want to get the nested list, my nested list equal to physics, comma 9, comma this. So you will get this thing. My nested list 0 means it is the first element. My nested list 0, 1 means first element. Within that first element physics, I want to access 1th index. That means H. So if you press Control Enter, it will give me H. Nested list 2, that means this list within list, that means the small list will come up as the output. Control Enter. Nested list 2, 0, obviously this is the list within that 0th means 25 will be the output. Similarly, slicing list, that means hello list, HELLOWRLD. Then if you write hello list 3:6, then it will give you Control Enter LOW. How you can change the elements? Very easy. Just create a list, my list, and you can see the my list like this. And if you want to change the first element or second element or third, whatever, then my list 0 will change first element. Equal to 2 means the first element will be changed to 2. So updated list will be my list 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12. Inserting items in a list. Very easy. Numbers is the name of the list. Then numbers.insert 4, 5. You insert 5 at the 4th index position. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will come up within 8 and 9. Delete item, just pop whatever index position you want to delete. Suppose I want to delete 2th index position. Then I will write subjects dot equal to biology. First you create the list and then dot pop to will then pop out this chemistry. So you can see the updated list doesn't contain subjects dot. Control Enter, it doesn't contain chemistry. because it has been popped up. Again, the count, very easy. How many times a particular number? Suppose if you give 4, my numbers dot count 4. Can you tell me what should be the output? Yes, since 4 is happening twice, so you will get 2 at the output. Similarly, 3 is giving 3 as output because 3 times 3 has been used. Testing for membership. Member list equal to 0, 9, 24, 14, 50, 24. 9 in number list, true. 35 in number list, false. Again, it's a string list. Red in string list, true, because red is there. And the last but not the lists of list comprehension is that numbers equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is the list, and power 3 is the new list, and you are writing 3 to the power y is the actual calculation that you have to do with all elements of numbers, and you will get the new list as 3, 9, 27, 81. I have given another example of list comprehension because this is a very useful way of writing new list from an existing list. So HW text equal to hello world. This is a string list, and suppose I want to create another list as HW list, where I have first you start reading from right hand side, means for character in HW text, means HW text character means all these are character. You will get character plus character. That means first character is H. So H plus H is, since it is a string, so it will be coming as HH. Okay. New list HW list will contain HH. Similarly, next comes E. E has to be added with itself. So E plus E means EE. It's not integer addition. It's string addition. That means you are concatenating the strings. Then L, LL. Then LL. Then O, OO. Then the interesting part is there is a space. Space will be also added to another space. So 2 spaces. Then again WW, OO, RR, LL and DD. So with this we have concluded the list discussion. We have seen both the theory and hands-on session, and next thing I would suggest you, please go through the quizzes on lists and definitely try to solve all the quizzes. So till then, thank you so much.